told that the Mumbai to Bangkok Jet Airways flight has turned back due to a suspected tail strike.
Well, aircraft lands safely with about 180 passengers and 8 crew members on board. That's news that's just coming in. Yet another case of safety of aircrafts there being reported. This aircraft currently being inspected by Jet Airways engineering team and the ground personnel. Let's get you more. Santhya is joining us with further details on this. Santhya, what more can you share with us about the entire episode?
Yeah, this entire episode came into light when Jet Airways issued a statement where they told that a Bombay-Bangkok flight that was 9W70, which actually took off but was actually, they suspected a tail strike of the aircraft, and that's why they made an air turn back, which is quite not that a common phenomenon, but thankfully all the passengers were deplaned from the plane safely. There were 180 passengers and 8 crew members, and now the current status is that the engineering staff and the ground operational staff from the airlines is inspecting the flight and trying to figure out the reason behind the suspected tail strike. Also, this flight is now delayed and it will be taking off at around 12:45. As of now, Jet Airways is claiming that all the passengers are absolutely safe. The flight is under inspection, and the next flight.
They're fortunate that Jet Airways here being fortunate that all the passengers are safe. They've made a return back well in time, but this is also absolute negligence on part of the airlines.
See, talking about the negligence, as far as the reasons behind the tail strike don't come out in the open, we can't really make a claim that it was a negligence or a genuine technical fault. So as of now, we have to wait for the reason which actually caused this tail strike. But the way Jet Airways is putting it as a suspected tail strike obviously rings a bell, because either it has to be a tail strike or it doesn't have to be, because when we talk to the people on ground and everything, they are saying that it is a tail strike. So in that case, the way Jet Airways is trying to dilute the matter, it definitely rings a bell, but we definitely have to wait for the exact reasons to come in.
All right, Santhya, thank you. Thanks for getting us those updates there. We'll leave it at that.
Another big